Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Sabi yan, hindi daw masabi ni Julie yung pangalan mo na ABCM. Sasabihin ko sana Ana yung pangalan mo. So, ayan, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. So, ayan, happy birthday again. Mwah.
Hey, ABCM, happy birthday! Medyo nagre-relax muna ako saglit. Wait lang. I-ready ko lang yung talagang message ko sa'yo, ha? Hi, ABCM! Hello! Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Pagpasensyahan mo na at medyo meron akong mask kanina. So, eto na, tunay na message na to para sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo. And thank you for being my friend. And maraming salamat at nakasama at nakilala kita in person. And sana magkaroon ka ng mahabang, alam ko at meron ka ng mahaba dyan sa inyo. At wag na natin bigyan ka pa ng mahaba. And happy birthday sa'yo at mag-enjoy ka ngayong special day mo. Lagi kang mag-iingat. At nandito lang ako at nandito lang kami para sa'yo kung kailangan mo ng tulong. Thank you. And sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming bondings. And sa lahat din, thank you so much for being such a good friend of me. Ayun lang, wala na ako iba pang masabi. Thank you, ingat ka. Bye! Love you!
Hi, Ate ABCM. Happy birthday. I wish you a good health and to your family also. And sana dumami palalo ang subscribers sa YT channel mo. At sana mag-meet up pa tayo. Charot. And wala na ako masabi. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Ready? Let's go. 하나, 둘, 셋. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Snard DC, nandito na naman po ako para bumati ng ating kaibigan na magpa-birthday. Happy birthday, Ate ABCM. Ate ABCM, maraming salamat at tinanggap nyo ako sa inyong team. At nawa, sa iyong kaarawan, ang wish ko lang is maging healthy ang lahat. Healthy ang pamilya, healthy ang mga bata, at syempre healthy ka rin. At dumago pang iyong YT channel. Happy birthday ulit, Ate ABCM. Mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayan, happy birthday. Shoutout sa lahat.
Hi ABCM! Happy birthday! Ayan, wish ko sa'yo is sana always kang maging malusog at saka always happy and enjoy ka lang. Enjoy sa yung birthday. Palagi kang mag-ingat and more blessings. Bye ABCM! Thank you! Mwah.
Hi! Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday ABCM or Anna to the GC. And I am declaring and claiming blessings upon blessings to you and to your family. I hope and pray that all of the wishes and all of your dreams come true. Enjoy your day today and happy birthday once again. Mwah. God bless you always.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ABCM. Ayan, ABCM, 16 years old ka na. Ayan, ABCM, happy birthday. Thank you for being a friend of mine. And ayan, ginagaya na kita kasi nga mahina ang boses mo. Ayoko namang mas higitan ko yung boses. Gusto kong maging ano lang, simple lang yung pagsasalita ko kasi mahirap na. Baka masapawan kita ng boses. Ayan, happy birthday ABCM. See you soon. Ang wish ko pala sa'yo ay sana good health always. Stay beautiful, ayan, still sexy. Alam ko naman ay mas sexy ka sa akin, tanggap ko na yon. Ayan, ABCM, happy birthday! Say happy birthday to Tita ABCM.
Happy birthday, Tita ABCM!
Bye-bye!
Hello everyone! First of all, happy birthday ABCM! More birthdays to come and sana dumami pa ang blessings sa'yo, lalong-lalo na sa white sa channel mo. Thank you sa pagiging kaibigan. Maraming salamat and happy birthday!
Hey, isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat dyan. Narito ako kasi may babatiin tayong isang kaibigan natin sa YouTube. Binabati nga pala kita ng happy birthday po, ABCM channel. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay more birthdays to come. Tuloy lang sa ginagawang pag-unlad sa mundo ni Whitey. Ayan. Salamat lagi sa support. Ako madalang naman makasupport, pero kapag free ako, pupuntahan ko talaga yung mga channel na naka-live o naka-premiere, nag-upload. Kaya tuloy lang sa Whitey, ABCM channel. So ulitin, happy birthday ulit. Thank you lagi sa support. Ingat.
Hi Guapa, happy birthday. Just enjoy your special day. Wish you all the best. More blessings sa'yo, sa channel mo, and syempre sa family mo. I missed you. Sana magkita ulit tayo very soon. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Happy birthday, Papa. Love you.
Hi Guapa, ayan, it's your birthday today, ayan, binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan, ayan, happy birthday Guapa ABCM, ayan, my wish for you is good health and more power to your YT channel, more blessings, ayan, I'm so happy for you Guapa sa lahat ng blessings, ayan, sana huwag ka magbago. Ayan. I miss you and hope to see you soon. Sorry, na-late ang aking greetings. Ayan, pauwi lang namin ngayon ng mga bata. Kaya, thank you so much for the friendship. Guapa. Love you.